This is the summary of pages 142 through 158, and this is the final summary of Fahrenheit 451, and I like to call this Rebuild from the Ashes. So, Montag begins to understand that Granger and his group memorize different books, and Granger actually is really excited that Montag has read Ecclesiastes and parts of Revelation, and two books in the Bible. And this actually gives, of course, Montag worth and importance. Granger and Montag have a deep conversation about how there will be a time to rebuild, especially that there's a war approaching. And as this conversation takes place, there's these jet planes that fly over, there's a loud shriek, and there's a huge bomb that drops over Montag's society, and they all realize that a new era has begun. Of course, it's not easy for Montag. He instantly thinks of Faber and Mildred, who we don't know if they've survived or not. We know that Faber is on his way outside of the society, but Mildred is there. So at the very end, they all begin to walk back to the town to help rebuild from the ashes. And there's a beautiful moment where Montag quotes Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, verses 1 through 8, specifically verse 4. And then he also which talks about a time to rebuild, and that there's a time in every season. And then he also quotes Revelation, and how these outcasts are coming back to help rebuild this society. So thank you so much for being a part of this unit. Definitely take enough time to read closely to these pages. All right. Thank you and have a great day.